Hey, what's up everybody, it's me Ish. Okay, so I just got pre-approved for a home loan through Navy Federal. So in this video I'm just gonna kind of talk about like what it took to get pre-approved by them, how you too can get pre-approved by them, and just talk about the whole overall experience in this video. Okay, so the number one reason why a lot of people bank with these guys is because they do 100% financing. So in other words, no money down if you're trying to buy your first home. But not anybody can just get in. Like I said in my other videos, you have to be like somewhat military related. If you guys haven't watched my other video, I'll put like a link in the description so you guys can go watch that and kind of understand a little bit more about Navy Federal. But if you're banking with them, they do 100% financing, and that is only for a single family home, and they also do 0 PMI, so that's really cool, private mortgage insurance. But if you guys are interested in getting a single family home, again, they do 100% financing. If you guys want to get a duplex, they require 15% down, and you have to live in one of the units, and that's the one I actually got pre-approved for. I tried to get like a 3plex. I tried to see if they do 3plex or 4plex, but they do not do that from what I've talked to them. They said they only do max is a duplex, and you have to put 15% down. And even that's still good, don't get me wrong. Yeah, I got pre-approved by these guys. I was looking to moving into like the Chicago area, and I wanted to see what I can get pre-approved for over there, because I believe the prices vary. I know here in California where I'm from, it's like really expensive here, so I think you'll get approved for a whole lot more than you would in another state. But the overall process was actually quite easy. All I had to do was try to talk to a loan officer. I tried to go in, but because of coronavirus or COVID-19 going on right now, they wouldn't let anybody go in. But what you can do is call, and then they'll set you up, and then they could even like walk you through the whole process. They'll stay on the phone with you. That's what I had some guy do with me while I was filling out the application. I filled it out, I put all my information. They do a background check on your credit, so they pull it. If you are employed, they go through your pay stubs, and if you're 1099 independent contractor, then they'll go based off something else. Like I'm a 1099 independent contractor, so they just went based off my IRS transcripts. So if you guys are independent contractors, all you have to do is download your IRS transcripts. I actually made a video on that as well. I'll put in the description if you guys are interested in knowing how to get your IRS transcripts if you guys are independent contractors, so you guys can go and show these guys your stuff. But yeah, they pull your credit, they look at your IRS transcripts or W-2s, whichever you are, and then after you just fill out the whole application. It's actually quite easy. It wasn't nothing too crazy. That was actually my first time filling out application for a home loan, which wasn't too bad. And Navy Federal does do conventional loans, and they do VA loans. I think the one I got was a VA loan. I think you still qualify even though you're a civilian and you're not in the military. Since you have a family member that is in the military, then I kind of think that counts towards being a veteran or something along those lines. Like you're still like somewhat military just because you have someone in the military. So I think that's the one I qualified for, the VA loan. When I was actually doing it during the process, like I said, it was my first time. I was like, hey, this actually isn't too bad. Like, why isn't everybody doing this? You know what I mean? So yeah, I filled it out, and then after I filled it out, I think someone contacted me, and then what they want to know is your DTI, your debt to income ratio. And the only thing she asked me, like if I had any student loans, any car loans, credit card bills I needed to pay, and then stuff like utilities and gas and stuff like that doesn't really count as debt to income ratio. But like the big stuff, like I said, the student loans and the car loans, etc., the credit card, I didn't have any student loans. I do have a car note, and I do have a credit card. So she just took that information from me, and it was nothing too crazy. Like I said, I got pre-approved already, so I was actually quite happy. I think you put in the amount you want to get approved for, and then they'll give you like the estimate after, so that's pretty cool. So yeah, I got pre-approved. I got my pre-qualification letters, so like if I'm searching up homes or whatever, I could just show them that, so that way they take me serious. So when I buy a home, I'll be like, oh hey, I'm pre-approved, like here's my loan, I'm ready to buy. And then you just show them that, and then like that's just the pre-approval. You got to get the real approval after. I haven't did that yet. But yeah guys, the overall process for getting pre-approved for a home loan wasn't too crazy. I was pretty happy because like my credit was good, you know, my income was good, and like I said, again, this is the first time they pre-approved me. I think they pre-approved me for somewhere like I forgot what's the exact amount. I know it was above 300K ish, because I was looking to buy out of state. Like I said, the prices vary depending on where you're living at. But yeah guys, Navy Federal is the truth. Like I said, they do 100% financing on single family homes. If you're interested in getting a duplex, they do 15% down. And again, they do no PMI, so no private mortgage insurance is needed, and you just take care of the closing costs. I think that's what they had asked me too. They were like, oh, do you have closing costs and like other fees and stuff? Yeah, so you don't have to worry about the no money down part. Like I said, they do 100% financing for single family home if you guys are interested. And I think that's really cool. I'm making this video just to shed light on this information. And real quick, let me plug this in. I'm in the process of attaining my real estate license here in California. So depending on the time you're watching this video, I'm gonna be a licensed agent by then. So if you guys are interested in buying or selling a home, you guys can contact me. I'll leave my Instagram and all my social media down below in the description. If you guys need help with that, I'll be here. I'll be more than happy to walk you guys through the process. It'd be really cool. But nonetheless, if you guys made it to the end of this video, I truly do appreciate you guys. And real quick, I do have a podcast and I do have another YouTube channel where I make car content because I am into cars. I'll plug that in the description below. And yeah, guys, that's the video. I got pre-approved for a home loan with Navy Federal. These guys are the truth. If you guys have any questions or concerns, leave a comment down below, and I'll go ahead and see you guys next video. If you guys made it to the end, I truly do appreciate you guys. Don't forget to slap the like button if this video was helpful or you found it kind of intriguing. I appreciate you guys, and I'll go ahead and see you guys next video. Ish signing out.